Okay, so we continue. So part number 2 is bishul, cooking. So we said when you open the hot water tap, you cook the water, the cold water that goes into the water heater. As we learned previously, the melacha of cooking is permitted on Yom Tov for the sake to accommodate any common physical need, and washing the dishes is one of them. Having clean dishes to eat from is considered a common physical need, so many people need it, right? It's not like taking shower. And thus it is permitted to heat water for the purpose of the washing dishes that are needed on Yom Tov, right? So no problem. However, the criteria for permitted the melacha of bishul, cooking, are different from those permitted chachana. There's a preparation that does not involve melacha. So because what is the difference between chachana and bishul? Chachana, there is no melacha. Let's say no sponge is being used and only liquid soap. Okay, right? Meaning no melacha, but bishul for sure melacha. One of the biggest one, the cooking. Regarding chachana, we explained that once the need exists, it is permitted to prepare any amount of the items that is suitable to fulfill the need. Okay, so meaning you need one bowl and you can wash 7. Even if only one of will actually be used. By contrast, the melacha of bishul is permitted only to the extent that one is anticipated will actually provide the benefit on Yom Tov. So now, with the bishul, we have to be more careful, right? And use wash only as many as you need to, right? Because you can do it on demand, basically. But again, without sponge, it's not so easy. Consequence. So that's what I said. Make sure like all of the cups, all the glasses, you have enough, because using even the cup wash, like glass wash, like this, what is it? The brush is also would not be allowed, because we have one that is would be allowed on Pesach. On holidays. We had for Pesach, but it's not a good idea, because it does not retain the water, the soap. It's a nightmare. So the good one, like the one that absorbs the soap, the water, and you can wash inside. It's good. That's why I said make sure that you have all of the cups and glasses enough for 3 days even. Okay. Continue. Consequently, if after, just 1 second. Correct. Consequently, if after the evening meal a person needs a single bowl washed for the morning meal, he may wash only one bowl with the hot tap water, but may wash the other with cold water or hot water from the source that does not involve cooking. Meaning, if you have in a thermos or somewhere on a water urn somewhere, okay. But one you can, like here we're trying to be realistic. Okay, so because why? Again, because it is melacha. For melacha, we do minimum requirement. You need one bowl, wash one bowl. So tomorrow you see that you have more guests, so you can wash another 2. Well, there is no problem. Okay, but since washing with the cold water, there is no melacha, so you can wash more. Okay. However, since it is the act of opening the hot water tap that involves cooking, once the tap is open for the sake of the washing dishes that will actually be used, or for some other permitted purpose, one may let the water continue to flow while he washes other dishes. If the tap was for some reason closed after the truly necessary dishes were washed, it may not be reopened for the sake of washing extra dishes. Okay, so here's the this approach that we're going to use also in the future. So since you did something for permissible use, right? So you're not allowed to stop it. right? So meaning when person opened the hot water tap towards this one bowl, because that's what they need. They missing only one bowl for tomorrow, so they're not obligated to close right away, right? And not obligated to close right away and continue running until a person washes the dish. So I mean, there is there is such a leniency. I mean, it's not even leniency, just halakhic principle. So we can apply, right? And same with other things. For example, when person somehow, I'm not sure why we did not say it during the washing, taking shower. I'm not sure, but I think that maybe I don't remember. I don't think we did, but the same reason would apply. The same approach would apply. So if you need to wash some other parts of the body, right, that not common need for other people, right, to wash. So you open this water tap to, actually we did say, right, to wash your hands, to wash your feet with the hot water, warm water, and you're not obligated to shut off right away. Just continue running. Okay, that's cooking.